Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see what's happening with Ethereum and BTC today. And we will cover the bullish and bearish scenario for both. Also, we will be looking at the BTC dominance chart in order to understand what will happen to the alts market in the near future. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Before we start, always hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting the time, let's dive in. Let's start from Ethereum. Under 30-minute time frame, Ethereum is in consolidation zone. We are in consolidation zone. If Ethereum stays below 1650, 1600, then there is a chance we see further consolidation will take place. 1 hour time frame is still bullish with low volume that you can see it, and it seems decreasing at the same time. 2 hour time frame is still healthy, and under a 30 time frame, if we enter into bear zone, then the first level to test is going to be support zone 1, which is 1530, 1480 area. 4 hour time frame is bullish. The levels are the same as 2 hour time frame, which mentioned above. If you're enjoying, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Higher time frame, you can see for the daily, I have a daily chart here. We've got higher highs, and at the same time you can see the same scenario on 12-hour chart as well. And still we're following the same scenario. RSI is fainting and keep printing a lower highs. And we've been following this bear divergence for some time. Just keep in mind, and we will follow it and see what will happen in the coming days. Under the weekly time frame, we have another 1 day and 8 hours to close this candle. But it seems that weekly candle is very beautiful, that you can see it. And weekly chart looks quite healthy, as I said. Under the low time frame, there is a chance that we may see a correction, and that is absolutely possible. Bear in your mind that CME futures will start on Monday the 8th of February for Ethereum. Last time when CME launched BTC futures, we saw the market dumped. I'm not saying the same thing will happen, just make sure control your trades and the stop loss must be in place. As you remember that as soon as we broke our resistance zone, which we were around here, and you witnessed already we had first rejection, second rejection, third one. The fourth time we managed to break it with a clear breakout, and since then we have already 23% spot profit. And if you're a leverage trader, you do the math. Before we move on to the BTC dominance chart, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. Moving on to the BTC dominance chart, as you see, long time that we've been on the downside of the BTC dominance chart, and now it started getting some strength towards the upside. That's the 4 hour time frame. However, daily time frame, as you can see, since the beginning of January, exactly more than a month, we've been on the downside, and that's why you saw the alts were pumping. However, recently we started pumping again, and what levels we have above us? We've got first important level is around 63.80, and the second one is 66 level, where the weekly resistance also in this area. What we can expect is further up to the first level, and then back retest possibly, and then we will go to the second resistance zone under a daily time frame. Moving on to the weekly time frame, the levels are exactly the same. Daily time frame is a bearish one, however the weekly time frame is a bullish. If we manage to break the first one and stay above the second zone, which is 66 plus, and if this zone holds, then there is a tough time for the alts, because the price will start moving towards the north side. And as you may guess, that this will continue for a few weeks. I will update if we get any major change, and I would like to ask you to manage your altcoins accordingly. Moving on to the BTC, we are bullish in all time frames, from 30-minute time frame all the way up to a weekly. And in the last episode, I shared this symmetric triangle under a higher time frame, and I mentioned that if we manage to break and stay above this resistance line, then there is a chance that we go further up and if this scenario takes place, this symmetric triangle will be invalidated and we won't see further correction within this triangle. If we take a look into under a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, number of candles 1 day and 20 hours, so that will be 11 candles struggled actually to break this symmetric triangle, and once we broke it, and as you can see, price went up first resistance and now we're just heading towards the second resistance. So we don't need this triangle anymore. Since we broke the higher time frame resistance, which was the entry level, and this trade is up by nearly 16% and 14% plus spot profit. And if you are a leverage trader, you did the maths. Let's move on to the bull scenario. At the moment, bulls are struggling. The price action actually in this last resistance zone, which is 41,000 and 41,600 area. If we manage to break this zone, then we will be finally in the next blue sky zone, that there is no further resistance above us. And also I can say that at this moment market is waiting that we go to the next psychological level, which is $50,000. But I would rather play level by level and would like to rely on the magic Fibonacci extension levels. Before we move on to the bear scenario, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8 and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. Bear scenario, if we cannot break this last resistance, which is 41,000 and 41,600 level, then we will be facing the first support level at around 38,000 and 39,000. At this moment, the first support level seems strong. However, if we manage to break this level and we've got the second support level, which is higher time frame support level, 35,400 and 36,000 level below us, and this is very strong support level. At this stage, there is no need to take fib levels. The price isn't settled yet. Under a lower time frame, we cannot rely on the fib levels. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.